Good afternoon, back from racing in Scotland this weekend. Now time to crack on with a bit of work. First one is a returning client. I do all of his Harleys. He's just picked up this gorgeous beast. I think he got caught in the rain on it, so we're going to do one of our full works packages on this, get a little corrosion protection on it and get some ceramic on all this body work just to make sure to keep this bike looking its finest for years to come. This is a 71 plate. I don't think it's got a lot of miles, but I think he's been, like I said, been caught in the rain. So we're going to get it all cleaned up, get it in the studio, crack on with a bit of polishing, and then we're going to treat it with the signature 4K ceramic, making sure to keep this bike properly protected and make it nice and easy to keep clean in the future. Let's get it washed, a bit of snow foam, and then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with some detailing. Okay, Harley has now been fully washed and blow dried. Now in the studio, just doing a little paint. It's got some scratches on the swing arm there. It might have had a bag on it or something. We're going to polish those off, get all the chrome polished, paint work. This emblem looks like it's missing some of the white in there. I might see if I can touch that up a bit. These wheels are a little bit stained. It looks like someone's had a little go at them before with something wiry. But we're going to see if we can polish those up before we apply any ceramic. Want to make sure we get a nice finish. Oh yeah, as I was washing it, the petrol cap fell off. It's just glued on with a bit of sticky stuff, so I'll put that back on. But let's get this chrome polished up. We'll do a single stage polish on all the paint work, and then we'll get some ceramic on it. Okay, back on this stunning Harley. Every single speck of this bike has been meticulously cleaned and polished. I just did a 2-stage polish on all this bodywork. Look at the gloss on that. Now time to lay down some special sauce. We're going to use the Distinction HD. That is a graphene infused ceramic coating, making sure to keep this bike properly protected for the years ahead. We're going to airbrush it onto every nook and cranny of this. I will apply it by hand to all the bodywork, and then we'll let it cure under the fans, and she will be ready to collect. What a stunning looking Harley. Not too sure about them handlebars, but hey, let's get it cracking. Okay, this gorgeous Harley has now been completed. This has had one of our full works packages. Every inch of this bike has been meticulously polished and then treated with the signature 4K Distinction HD. That is a graphene infused ceramic protection, giving it the best chance to look this good for years to come. Look at the freaking gloss on it. Every nook and cranny of this bike has been airbrushed. I've applied it by hand to all the tank bodywork, but all this lovely chrome has all been airbrushed with the ceramic. That's going to make it nice and easy to keep clean in the future and keep it properly protected for the years to come. What a stunning bike. Anyways, all done. This is one of our full works packages. When you get your bike new, that's the best time to get it done. Give it a fighting chance with this English weather. But give us a buzz. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a call, 07966 249 963. This is our full works package, which includes everything, including the ceramic, or we do a full Monty valet, which doesn't have the ceramic but does have the XCP corrosion protection. Anyway, give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.